Hi everyone, Andres here with a new demo for MovingLake. This time I will be showcasing a real-time Shopify data connector. So what we want basically is that every event that happens in our Shopify website gets propagated to Google Sheets and to BigQuery. So for this, let me just configure this correctly. So we will delete any previous data. Awesome. So now you can go into your MovingLake account, and remember it's free to sign up, and everyone can sign up for this. So just hit on the Shopify connector, choose your shop URL, click the credentials button. It'll take you to a page to accept, basically to install the app. So let's install the app. Okay, now it's registering and you can leave this running while you do the rest. It'll close by itself. And so now you can hit next and then let's choose our BigQuery and Google Sheets adapters. So I've already created these credentials, but you can go ahead and create them with the plus button here. Right, so once that's ready, just click save and accept. And awesome. So the Shopify connector is now running. So now we go into our website store. And so now let's just go through the whole flow. So add to cart, view my cart, then let's see, checkout. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's not like this dev shop checkout is not working. Let's see, what if I do buy now? I think, nope. Okay, well, that generated events. No worries. So you can start seeing the information flow here in Google Sheets. So you can see checkout updates, cart updates. And if you go to BigQuery, you can see not only cart updates, but also you should see the same information as on Google Sheets. And yeah, there we go. So we have the checkout updates, we have the cart updates, and we have line items. We have the standard table, and we have the raw table with the raw JSON which we received from Shopify. And that's it. Other events which we propagate are order creations, transaction creations. We also have app installs and uninstalls. Also, whenever a customer gets created, like a user gets created on your site, we have that information. Whenever the user changes their info, that goes in as well. Shipping information, all of these gets propagated in real time. Well, that's it for this demo. Thank you very much. Oh, and if you want to see how it looks like the data in the Google Sheets, it's just your standard data here. Well, thank you very much for listening in, and see you on the next one.